Hello traders, Naresh is with you. Today I will show you my new strategies which is preferred for a small balance. With minimal capital, you can increase your balance in just few minutes. Yes, you may sound incredible, but I will approve you in positivity. By the way, in my Telegram channel, I shared strategies and real reviews of my new subscribers how will able to make money on trading. It's simple and make things to start, and you can also make big profits. Follow the link and get lot of useful information over there. So let's go on. So first we talking about MACD is a powerful indicator for will help me making big profits with only $110 in my pocket. This is indicator shows in the general movement of the chart and trade through candles. To make it clear to you, I will show you some deals. Let's go. Before starting trade transaction, you need to start a necessary settings. First, put on the type candle on the chart and set the time frame for 30 minutes. Then turn on the indicator MACD. You can see the setting of this indicator on the screen. We set the currency pair AUD and CNY. The transaction time is only 30 seconds. Now let's move on transactions. I will not wasting time and immediately open a deal for an increase in amount $110. As I see on the chart, the intersections of the moving average indicators up, and now another indicator shows weak flexible in the chart. It's simple. The first transaction is completed and now my balance has increased by $211. Let's move on. It's time for the second trade. I will also not hesitate. Just open a trade and decrease by $211, all because there is a blurry candle. There are not adjustments and there was moving average cross down. By the way, if you are looking for a real trading platform, I recommend paying attention to my pocket option. Here I found fast withdrawals, transparent transactions and good profits. Also join my Telegram channels to receive a bonus and up to date with me informations for successful trading. Superb! The second transaction was completely successful and my balance growing $405. And now let's move on the last transaction. In this case, the situation is more complicated. I seen the appearances of my small correction and transaction is blurry candle. The indicator candlestick interact by upward direction. I am also opening a deal of an increasing $350 and I hope for a profit. It's just impossible. All transactions were completely successful. My balance has increased several times. Now it is $727. I am extremely pleased with my result and for you. Everything happens on the real account, friends. Everything is simple and without magic. Just the right strategies. If you want to see new strategies more often, subscribe the channel and I'm waiting for new video. By the way, don't miss my next video. In it, I will analyzing another strategies and show you how to make a money with it. Friends, if you want to start earning, like me and subscribe my channel. Look at my reviews and make sure it is real. Check for yourself by clicking on the link on the description and join me. Let's make money trading together. I am always ready for help and sharing my strategies. See you in the Telegram channel.